Good morning, all of you. Now, in the previous class, we have studied about relation. What is a relation? How to find out its domain, range, and codomain. Now, today we'll study function. Now, what is a function? A function is also a special type of relation, but it should follow certain conditions. So, the definition says that a relation R from set A to B is said to be a function if every element, underline this word, every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. If every element of set A has one and only one image in set B, and it is denoted by F. So mathematically, if a function is defined from set A to B, we write like this: F A to B. This means 2. Function F A to B. Now, what is the domain? Domain is set A. Set A is domain, set B is codomain. And what is range? Range is the mapped elements of set B. Now, what is the meaning of mapped element? This we'll discuss afterwards. Now, for this, I have taken one question. Suppose I have three relations R1, R2, R3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2. These are the ordered pair. So, if I represent them with the help of arrow diagram, this is relation R1. Suppose this is set A and this is set B. Now, what is the first element of set A? 2. 2 is, what is the image of 2? 1. So we'll say 2 is a mapped element. Image of 2 is 1. So it is called the mapped element. So what is the image of 2? 1. What is the image of 3? 1. And what is the image of 4? 2. That means all the elements are mapped now. Every element is mapped. Now second condition will check whether every element has a unique image. 2. How many images it has? Only one image. That is 1. 3. How many images? Only one image, 1. And how many images of 4 have? Only one image, 2. So yes, it will be a function. So R1 will be a function F. Now what is the domain of this function? Set A, 2, 3, 4. What is the codomain? Set B, 1, 2. And what is the range? Range means the mapped elements. These are the mapped elements, so range is also 1, 2. Now moving on to second relation R2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. Now see element 2. 2 element has 2 images. One is 2, other is 4. So it is not a function. Every element should have a unique image. So 2 has how many images? 2 images. So it is not a function. So it is not a function. Similarly for third, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 and 6, 7. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 and 6, 7. Again every element is mapped and every element has a unique image. So again it will be a function. So what is the domain? Set A. What is codomain? Set B. And what is the range? Range also all the mapped elements. Now all the elements are mapped. So this is the range also, 2 to 7.